Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to discuss binomial theorem or binomial expansion. This will be helpful for us to find the expansion of two terms when we have a large value in the power. We know already right from early classes that if we are to find out the expansion of a and b or any two terms to a certain specific number of terms, it's quite easy for us, like a plus b power 0 equals to 1, a plus b power 1 equals to a plus b whole square. This gives us a square plus b square plus 2ab, and even we can find the cube with the expansion. This is but if it is 4 or 5 or higher powers, it becomes really difficult for us to expand with the help of the algebraic opening. So then it was introduced the binomial theorem to expand two terms when we have higher powers. This is the general formula for this, which need not to be memorized because this will be given to you in the data booklet. A plus b power n, where a will be the first value, b will be the second value, n is the power. The combination nc0, first number to the power maximum and second number to the power minimum. Then nc1, first number which was having a maximum power will be reduced by 1, and the one which is having a minimum power will be increased by 1. And then nc2, one more reduced and one more increased. Let us see this with the help of an example. For example, 2x plus y power 5, he is asking us to expand up to the first three terms. Here our n is 5, our a is 2x and our b is y. Let us use the theorem, which is equals to 5c0. First, a is 2x over here, so 2x power 5, which is maximum, and y power 0, which is minimum. Then 5c1, since we have to go to three terms, so this is the second term, 2x1 less than this becomes 4, and y power 1 more than this, it's going to be 1. Plus the third term is 5c2, 1 more reduced from here becomes 3, and 1 more increased from here becomes 2. So expansion is done. Now the rest part is the simplification. How do we get the value of 5c0, 5c1 and 5c3? Here it is going to be 5c2. Now 5c0, with the help of the calculator we are able to find out 5, shift, division button, right above the division button we have the combination 5c0, which gives us 1. So this becomes 1, 2x power 5, 2 power 5 is 32, x power 5, and anything to the power 0 is 1. 5c1 combination gives us 5 with the calculator, and this becomes 16, x power 4, 2 power 4 is 16 into y. And the third one is 5c2, combination calculator gives us 10, 2x cube becomes 8x cube and y square. Now after the simplification we'll reach the answer 32x power 5 plus 5 into 16 is 80, x power 4 into y, and 10 into 8 is 80, x power 3 and y square. The expansion is done, and if this question comes in the examination, normally it contains 3 or maximum 4 marks, not more than this. We need to see one specific thing over here, that if we add the powers, 5 plus 0, it's always equals to 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. So it means the two expressions seen over here, the two terms, its power sum is always equals to the total power over here. But sometimes in the expansion, instead of asking that expand this up to certain number of terms, he asks you to find the coefficient of some specific term. For example, if he asks you find the coefficient of, let us say, x cube in the expansion of that, find the coefficient of x power 3 in the expansion of x plus 2 power 7, let's say. We can find it with the help of two ways if we expand this completely and get the desired term out of that. But we can find it directly. As we have discussed already, if you add the powers, this will always be equals to the total power. So we are looking for x power 3 here. So x power 3, since the second number's power sum should be equals to 7, so it should be equals to 2 power 4. Because 3 plus 4 will give you 7. Now what to write in place here, the combination? We know the upper value is always the maximum number, which is the power. How to write this number is the actual problem. Now you see, since this is cube and this has started, like here it has started from 5 because 5 was the maximum number. So this would have been started from 7. So first term was having a power x 7, second is power 6, third is power 5, fourth is power 4, and then the fifth one is the power 3. And similarly you can see from here as well, because the second number starts always from 0. So it has started from power 0 and reached till power 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it means this is the fifth term. And since the fifth term, there is another thing over here. First term, this lower value is 0, second, third, fourth, fifth, so it's going to be fifth term, so it's going to be 4 over here. Now, what gives us this combination? Let us find it with the help of calculator. 7, shift, division, see 4, and this gives us 35. X power 3 and we know 2 power 4 is 16. So 35 into 16 is going to be the coefficient of x cube. It's 560. 560 x power 3 is there, which is our desired term, where the coefficient of x cube is 560. So this is the way in which we can find the coefficient of some specific term directly. But we have to be smart enough over here to decide what is supposed to be written over here. This is understood because it's mentioned over there. And what is supposed to be written over there. I hope this method and this trick is going to help you quite a lot in solving your past paper questions. Hardly you will be finding that this question has 2 marks or 3 marks. This is quite an important topic whose questions are commonly asked in AS question paper. So, if you find any difficulty, you can ask on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.